Africa, my pride. Africa, my culture. Africa, my heritage. Do you know Africa is made up of 54 recognized countries? As you can see the map of Africa continents that contain the 54 recognized countries. At Jedediah Educational Services Limited, we believe every African student deserves a chance to excel. Our expert online tutoring provides personalized education to help students thrive academically, no matter where they are. But we don't stop there. Through Jedediah Foundation, we extend our mission to rural communities, supporting African students who cannot pay their tuition. Our foundation ensures that financial barriers don't stand in the way of education. Jedediah calls with a mission true to lift the young, give them their due. In rural land where shadows fall, your support can change it all. Help us kindle the flame of bright minds through valleys and hills where opportunity hides. Join us in this noble quest. For any question or inquiry, send an email to info@jedediaheducational.com. You can also be part of this mission by visiting our website. You can also support this mission through Jedediah Foundation, and you can visit our YouTube, Jedediah Educational Services Limited, our Facebook, African Teachers, TikTok, ProEdu Connects. And if you want to apply, just visit our website, click on Foundation, fill the form, and somebody will get in touch with you. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed.